Hello, Team Integrity. It's Miss Smith. I promised you guys a video today, so I'm here to give you an update on some questions that I have been getting from my students, okay? The first thing I want you to know, I want you to go into Google Classroom. When you are inside Google Classroom, please be sure that this is your login on the right-hand side. You see I am logged in under Darlisha Smith because that is who I am. Do not log in under your parents' Google account or email. You have to be logged in with your Dickerson ISD account, okay? That's very important because if you're not logged in with your account, it's going to kick you out and it's not going to allow you to view the things that I have posted for you. Okay, go to ELA Integrity. Here, you click on Classwork, and then you will see Reading Choice Board Week 1. Here on the Choice Board, I have given you all of the information that I think you guys need to complete this week's work. In order to open the work, you click on Smith Fiction Choice Board. The Choice Board gives you all of the information that you need. If you are confused, every square says need help, use this. I've provided you with sentence stems to use, just like we use in class. I provided you templates. I provided you videos. If you forgot what some of these things mean, if you forgot what elements of plots are making an inference, I've given you guys videos for all of that. I'm trying to update it as I see that you have more questions. I know a lot of people have already asked me questions about their work and I've answered them. But if there's something that you are unsure about, after clicking my classwork and listening to my video, if you're still unsure, please write me on Google Classroom and I will answer your question as soon as I can because I want to help you guys get this work done. If you also notice, I can see when you turn in your work and I can see that who I've assigned it to. So one person, Brandon, shout out to Brandon, he's turned in his work. Good job. Our work is not due until Friday, so do not rush to do all of your work today. Get out, go ride your bike, go walk down the street, get some fresh air. Vitamin D is good for the system. Do not stay in the house on TikTok and Fortnite and all that other stuff. I want you to take some time to do your work, but also get out of the house, enjoy the sun, enjoy the time that you have with your family also. Very important for you to know this information. Make sure that all of your friends know. If you have friends that you have on other domains that have not logged into my classroom, please let them know it's important that they log in so they can get all of their credit for reading for 5th grade. Okay? Thank you guys who's been working hard. If you have any questions, please let me know. I miss you guys dearly and I can't wait to see you. Bye.